Good evening and welcome. You're watching the News Hour Agenda. I am Padmaja Joshi. Today there was a huge buzz through the day. Over the last 24 hours, we have been told that India has turned into a dictatorship. India is a country waging war against its own people. That India has put its farmers inside a prison. That it's a country treating its farmers as foreign terrorists and a foreign enemy. Now, why have people made such an unsavory assessment of our country? All of this has happened because at the three main border points that Delhi shares with its neighboring states, some protective measures have been put in place. First, let me tell you what those measures are. These are 1. Nails that have been laid into the road and cemented in. Barricades that have been put one next to the other, and there are about 5 to 6 of them that have been tied together and then sealed into the road with the help of concrete. Why? So that tractors cannot be used to knock them over like what was seen, and you would have seen plenty of those videos, on the 26th of January. And added to that is a barbed wire fencing to ensure that people do not successfully jump across those barricades and then engage in violence. And yet, there is an uproar across the country because these are not precautions. This is apparently a prison. Now there are demands being made that all of this barricading be removed. Otherwise, democracy itself is going to be in danger. But to all of those, all the people who are saying this, there's only one question to ask. What really do you want? How do you foresee that law and order be maintained? Whose side are you on? Or are our politicians willing to sacrifice anything at all, even risk complete anarchy, risk the loss of lives of not just policemen, but also the lives of common citizens that could be endangered, to let lawlessness rule the roost in our national capital only so long as their political ends are met?
26 तारीख को जिस प्रकार से जो ट्रैक्टर्स का इस्तेमाल किया गया था, सभी पुलिसकर्मी पे चढ़ा करके बैरिकेड को तोड़ करके सब कुछ किया गया, तो हमने क्या किया है? हमने उस बैरिकेड को मजबूत किया है, सिर्फ मजबूत किया है ताकि बारंबार उसको तोड़ा ना जाए।
हो सकता है कि कोई चाहता हो कि आपको भड़काए, आप अपनी जो संयम है उसको भूल जाएं, लेकिन आपने नहीं किया।
दिखाना चाहते हैं कि ये जो चेतावनी लग रही है, ये तारबंदी है, हमको रोटी अंदर जाती दिख रही है तिजोरी में, तो ये रोटी कैद इसके अंदर होगी। ये हम जनता को दिखाना चाहते हैं कि रोटी इस बैरिकेडिंग के अंदर कैद होगी रोटी।
मोदी जी ने ये कहा है कि आप कॉल कीजिए, हम एक कॉल के लिए भी आपके एकदम एक कॉल से दूर हैं।
नंबर बता दो कौन सा है वो?
क्योंकि 11 मीटिंग्स हो चुकी है आपकी, अभी तो कुछ हुआ नहीं है
ना। हम तो यहीं रहेंगे, हम तो ये जाकर अक्टूबर नवंबर तक जाएगा यार।
You're watching the News Hour at 10. Debate number 1 on Times Now. Super Prime Time.
Let me take this across to our panelists. Sanju Verma, national spokesperson of the BJP, joins us along with retired ACP of the Delhi Police, Ved Bhushan, MLA and national spokesperson of Aam Aadmi Party, Saurabh Bharadwaj, Sujata Paul, political analyst, supports the Congress, Rajesh Chauhan, national vice president of the Bharatiya Kisan Union. First question to national spokesperson of Samajwadi Party, Anurag Bhadoria. Anurag ji, आप समझाना चाहेंगे कि एक्चुअली इन बैरिकेड्स में प्रॉब्लम क्या है?
देखिए, मुझे एक चीज समझ में नहीं आई। देश का किसान अपने अधिकार के लिए सरकार के खिलाफ धरने पे बैठा है।
हाँ।
आपको क्या लगता है वो पाकिस्तानी हैं, बांग्लादेशी हैं, अफगानिस्तानी हैं या चाइनीज हैं जो आप इतनी लंबी लंबी वहां पे दीवारें खड़ी कर रहे हो, तार लगा रहे हो, कीलें ठोक रहे हो? अरे भाई, बातचीत से समस्या का समाधान हो जाएगा। बातचीत कर लो। बातचीत करने में कितना समय लगता है?
बातचीत की डेट तो किसानों को देनी है ना। आई थिंक आपने आज सुना नहीं नरेंद्र तोमर ने क्या बोला। आखिरी मीटिंग में किसानों से बोला गया आप तारीख दीजिए, बात करते हैं।
नहीं तो आप नरेंद्र तोमर ने ये भी बोला था कंडीशनल मीटिंग होगी। आप बताइए किसी को आप अपनी मीटिंग
उन्होंने एक्चुअली ये उसका बिल्कुल विपरीत बोला।
नहीं
उन्होंने कहा हर चीजों पे बात होगी।
पद्मजा जी बात को मत तोड़िए, उन्होंने बोला
कोई बात नहीं, आज जो उन्होंने बोला है ना, मैं आप मेरे को 2 मिनट का वक्त दीजिए, आपको मैं एग्जैक्टली सुनाती हूँ उन्होंने क्या बोला है।
5 मिनट का वक्त लीजिए।
उन्होंने बोला है खुले मन से हर चीज पे बात होगी। जो आप बोल रहे हैं उसका एग्जैक्ट ऑपोजिट नरेंद्र तोमर ने बोला है।
आप बुला लीजिए, आप उनको फोन कर दिए, किसान को कहिए किसान आ जाइए, खुले मन से यहाँ बात होगी और समस्या का समाधान होगा। बुला
नहीं, ऐसे नहीं होता ना बात
में, जनतंत्र में। सुन,
ये देश है, कोई बनाना रिपब्लिक थोड़ा ना कि टीवी स्टूडियो में हम कॉल करेंगे नरेंद्र तोमर को और किसी किसान को फोन करेंगे और इधर बात हो जाएगी। ऐसे नहीं होती बात।
तंत्र को जनता के
मजाक थोड़ी ना है,
कोई बुराई नहीं है, क्योंकि जनता ने चुना है।
बट एक सेकंड अनुराग जी, वापस मैं आपको इस बैरिकेड पे ले जाती हूँ। आप बाय द वे इनमें से किसी बॉर्डर पे गए हैं?
इसमें बुराई क्या है?
आपने खुद जाकर के देखा है?
आपने अभी बजट भी तो पास किया,
आपने खुद जाकर के देखा है? आप इतना जो ये हाइपरबली कर रहे हैं, ये जो आप हाइपरबली कर रहे हैं कि उसको पाकिस्तान बना दिया है, बांग्लादेश बना दिया है, या तो आपने जाकर के सिंघू बॉर्डर पे नहीं देखा है या फिर आपने जाकर के पाकिस्तान के बॉर्डर पे नहीं देखा है। अगर आपको सच में लगता है कि ऐसी बैरिकेडिंग पाकिस्तान के बॉर्डर पे होती है तो आई मीन नो ऑफेंस, बट भगवान करे आप डिफेंस मिनिस्टर ना बने।
नहीं, जिस तरह का सरकार रवैया अपना रही है उससे यही लग रहा है कि सरकार किसानों का और देश की जनता का सम्मान नहीं कर रही है, लोकतंत्र का सम्मान नहीं कर रही है।
क्या लोकतंत्र क्या है?
समाधान नहीं।
एक सेकंड अनुराग जी बाकी सब छोड़िए।
करने की क्या जरूरत?
You know, I have to say of all the people who are sitting over here, I am pretty confident that barring maybe a Saurabh Bharadwaj and शायद यहाँ पर जो राजेश चौहान जी हैं and me, nobody has actually gone and seen these barricades first hand. अनुराग जी, आपने जाकर के एक्चुअली देखा है कि गाजीपुर में, सिंघू में या टीकरी में एक्चुअली लगाया क्या गया है?
बोलेंगी पद्मजा जी तो मैं कैसे बोलूंगा? मुझे 30 सेकंड दीजिए।
हाँ चलिए, 1 मिनट लीजिए।
नहीं, मैं आपसे कह रहा हूँ, क्या मंत्री जी को या कैबिनेट मंत्री के किसी भी मंत्री किसी भी विभाग को रोका है क्या? आप जाके बात कर लीजिए ना। लोकतंत्र में जनता ज्यादा ताकतवर होती है, किसान की ज्यादा पावर होती है। अगर सरकार जाके
अनुराग जी, आप अभी वो छोड़िए, मामले को इधर उधर ले जाते हैं। मैं आपको सिर्फ एक सिंपल सवाल पूछ रही हूँ, क्योंकि आपके पार्टी के नेता भी आज जब दिन भर बोल रहे थे तो उन्होंने बोला है कि किसानों को क्या आपने दुश्मन समझ लिया है, उनको फॉरेन टेररिस्ट की तरह ट्रीट कर रहे हैं। ये कौन से फॉरेन टेररिस्ट है अनुराग जी जो कि बैरिकेड से रोके जाते हैं? मैं तो ये बात आज दिन भर में समझ नहीं पाई।
पार्टी आतंकवादी, नक्सलवादी, आतंकवादी, खालिस्तानी, चोर, डकैत, क्या क्या नहीं बोला गया किसानों को? बताइए ना आप।
आपने ये सब सुन लिया, ये नहीं सुना राजनाथ सिंह ने बोला कि किसी किसान को हम खालिस्तानी नहीं बोल रहे। बट दैट इज नॉट टू डिस्काउंट द फैक्ट दैट यस देयर हैव बीन एलिमेंट्स हु हैव ट्राइड टू टेक एडवांटेज ऑफ दिस एंटायर स्टर्न। बट अनुराग जी, एक सेकंड, आप वो भी छोड़ दीजिए, आप मुझे ये बताइए, आप पार्लियामेंट तो गए होंगे ना?
समाधान हो जाएगा।
आप पार्लियामेंट तो गए होंगे, पार्लियामेंट के कैंपस में गए हैं आप?
जी बताइए ना, पूछिए, मैं सवाल का जवाब दूंगा।
तो ये जिन चीजों को देख करके आज पूरी देश इतना व्याकुल हो रहा है और कह रहा है कि बिल्कुल मतलब हमने इसको सिंघू बॉर्डर को पाकिस्तान बॉर्डर बना दिया है। पार्लियामेंट के गेट पे देयर इज समथिंग कॉल्ड टायर बस्टर्स, जो कि एग्जैक्टली यही होते हैं और सुरक्षा के मद्देनजर लगाए जाते हैं कि अगर कोई अनऑथराइज्ड एंट्री करे तो उसको रोक लिया जाए। उसमें एग्जैक्टली यही होता है कि एक बैरियर उठता है जिससे गाड़ी को पंचर कर दिया जाता है। अब आप कहेंगे कि पार्लियामेंट को आपने ऐसे क्यों किया हुआ है, उसको क्या आपने पाकिस्तान बॉर्डर बना दिया?
आपको डाइवर्ट मत कीजिए। पाकिस्तान ने आज तक किसी ने पार्लियामेंट को लेकर नहीं बोला। पूरे देश की रोडों को आप इस तरह से कर देंगे जहां पे आपके
पूरे देश की रोडों को कर दिया।
और क्या, जहां सरकार के खिलाफ आवाज,
पूरे देश की रोड मतलब 3 रोड पूरे देश की रोड हो गई
कर देंगे। वहां पे रोड
जैसे 40 किसान यूनियन पूरे देश के किसान हो गए,
लगा देंगे। ये क्या बात हुई?
मतलब आपने देश को तो 3 बॉर्डर्स को पूरा देश बना दिया।
करेंगे और उसको कंपेयर आप पार्लियामेंट से करेंगे, इससे ज्यादा
बिल्कुल कंपेयर करेंगे, क्योंकि सुरक्षा का जहां तक बात है, जितनी सुरक्षा होनी चाहिए, आपको लगता है, एक सेकंड,
आप दबाने के लिए पानी छीन लेंगे, बिजली बंद कर देंगे, उनका जो मौलिक अधिकार है वो भी छीनने की कोशिश करेंगे। ये मौलिक अधिकार
अनुराग जी
पार्लियामेंट ने दिया है।
अनुराग जी, एक सेकंड, पहली बात तो मैं एक चीज बड़ी क्लियर कर दूं, सड़क पे बैठना और रास्ता रोकना मौलिक अधिकार नहीं है। मौलिक अधिकार तो बिल्कुल नहीं है। लेट्स बी वेरी क्लियर अबाउट दैट। We have a conversation about rights and responsibilities, but to try and pass off the occupation of public land as fundamental right, Let's not go down that road. Then we are just descending into complete senselessness. Let me go across to Saurabh Bharadwaj. Saurabh Bharadwaj, my question to you is, and more specifically, I want to ask you कि जब 26 जनवरी की घटना हुई थी, तब आपकी पार्टी ने एक ऑथराइज स्टेटमेंट दिया था, जहां पे उन्होंने कहा था, where I'm going to quote to you what you said. We strongly condemn violence seen in today's protest. It is regrettable that central government allowed situation to deteriorate to such an extent. Why wasn't anything done to ensure that Delhi is safe? Now something is being done to ensure Delhi is safe. Now what?
नहीं पद्मजा जी, मैं उसको बताऊं. 26 January, whatever happened on 26 January, what I believe and my party believes that it was a conspiracy and a script by the central government. The elements who defamed the Lal Killa were the elements close to the Bharatiya Janata Party, and I think they should have stopped them. Chingu border and Lal Killa are apart by 41 kilometers. It is not believable that nobody could stop them. Now regarding this, making all these barricades.
No, sir, I just want to stop you for a second. You are absolutely certain that every single person, because there are close to 40 FIRs and 500 policemen injured and close to about 100 people detained, you are saying all those 100 people detained are all members of the BJP?
No, I am sure the people who have been detained, none of them would be from BJP, because BJP will never, because the government will never arrest BJP people. But it is, everybody knows that Deep Sidhu, who did everything and who planned everything, is a member of BJP. He was close to Sunny Deol.
Acha. So Deep Sidhu, I love how everything that we talk about, from what happened at, say, a Red Fort to what happened in Piragadi, everything boils down to Deep Sidhu. I'm surprised that the firing that has happened on Sukhbir Badal today hasn't been attributed to Deep Sidhu. Because this Deep Sidhu is one hell of a person. He's everywhere and doing everything. But Saurabh Bharadwaj, I want you to take a look at some pictures which have been released by the Delhi police today of the people who are at the Red Fort, who have in their hands gandasas, lathis, rods and weapons. Are you saying that all of these people who, remember, now they have been identified with their faces, facial recognition has been done. Are you saying that these people are all affiliated to the BJP?
Yes, I am very sure that there is definitely a connection between these people and BJP. Padmaja ji, I am asking you a very practical question. A very practical question. You live in Delhi and I think you are a very reasonable person. Lal Killa is 41 kilometers away from Singhu border. How is it possible that this group of people were not stopped anywhere in this 41 kilometers of January?
How were they not stopped? Because they were running around like maniacs with their tractors. That is the most logical answer. Did you see what they were doing on the 26th? Because they were knocking down barricades and running around mowing down people. That is how they managed to reach the Red Fort.
It is only Deep Sidhu who managed to give agenda to BJP, otherwise...
Only Deep Sidhu?
Yes.
Sanju Verma. Deep Sidhu was driving those tractors, each one of them individually, and reaching the Red Fort. Come in, yes.
This script only helps BJP. This script doesn't help farmers.
So before you answer, let me ask you one commonsensical question. One commonsensical question before you come in, Sanju Verma. So Saurabh Bharadwaj, I know this is going to sound ridiculous, but if Deep Sidhu is such a troublemaker and he is discrediting the farmers' agitation and perpetrating violence, you should be happy that Deep Sidhu is now going to be barricaded in and he'll manage to venture nowhere and create no trouble. Good for all of us. Deep Sidhu will stay where Deep Sidhu is.
You will not play this script again. Now you will have another script.
Acha.
No, they will have another script. What do you think? They will again bring the Deep Sidhu, because Deep Sidhu is defamed. Everybody knows that he's close to Mr. Modi.
Okay.
He's close to Sunny Deol.
Okay. Yes, go on. Sanju Verma.
May I please? May I please? Padmaja, I have always maintained that the Prime Minister, his senior cabinet colleagues and the Modi government by and large has gone out on a limb to assure farmers that we do believe you contribute to the nation building exercise. We are willing to engage in a dialogue. We are willing to look at this entire issue from a perspective of building consensus, not confrontation. Honorable Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman said as much yesterday when she was on your channel post that historic budget. But equally, we have always maintained we will not have anyone putting a gun to our head. Do not test the might of the Indian state. We will not have you bully us. And please now let me answer. You are nobody to give me a lecture because I did not interrupt. Have the audacity to listen the hard truth. I want Padmaja now. I'm requesting you, please zoom in the camera on this man. I want you to zoom in the camera on this man, Amreek Mikki, who was inducted into the Aam Aadmi Party by Sanjay Singh. And Amreek Mikki of the Aam Aadmi Party was there on 26 January at the tractor rally. He has thereafter tweeted, Raj karega Khalsa, Lal Kila Fateh. Saurabh Bhardwaj, stop giving me a bhashan. Tell me, is Amreek Mikki your Aam Aadmi Party leader or not? Was Amreek Mikki inducted by Sanjay Singh or not? What is Amreek Mikki doing at the tractor rally? Why is Amreek Mikki holding a Khalistani flag on 26 January?
Let him respond. Let him respond. Let him respond. It's only fair he responds. Because if we are going to judge everything by individual pictures, then of course you have to answer for him as well. Saurabh Bharadwaj.
Why is he holding a Khalistani flag?
Okay, you've made your point.
Why did he say Lal Kile par Fateh, Raj karega Khalsa?
Okay, answer this, Saurabh Bharadwaj.
Aam Aadmi Party is full of goons like Sanjay Singh.
Fabricated photographs, fabricated stories. Because they are caught red-handed with...
Fabricated photographs when it comes to Aam Aadmi Party. But everything that you say about BJP is the gospel truth. क्यों आप राजा हरीश चंद्र हो? आप राजा हरीश चंद्र हो क्या? बीजेपी पर लांछन लगाते हो, but we are expected to believe you when I'm showing the photograph of Amreek.
Okay, don't speak over him, please, because then we are facing an audio problem. Please have him. Let's have him respond. Sanju Verma, let's have him respond because his audio is getting interrupted by you. Saurabh Bharadwaj. Please reduce Sanju Verma. Saurabh Bharadwaj. Yes.
फैब्रिकेट कर देते हैं, इनके लिए फोटो फैब्रिकेट करनी क्या बड़ी बात है? ये तो पूरे झूठ फरेब करने के सबसे आगे। अब तक दीप सिद्धू नहीं पकड़ा गया। फार्मर रीजन जितने भी फार्म लीडर्स हैं उनको आपने देशद्रोही साबित कर दिया। देशद्रोही की धाराओं के अंदर उनके ऊपर आपने एफआईआर दर्ज करा दी। अब कह रहे हैं कि आइए हमसे बात कीजिए, हम खुले मन से बात करेंगे। बहुत बढ़िया।
Okay, Saurabh Bharadwaj, I have to say that for a party that has centered their entire criticism of the January 26 violence and putting it at the door of the BJP on this one Deep Sidhu to say that this particular picture is doctored, that seems to be a bit rich and very, very unfair.
Sidhu was the leader of the gang.
So let him be arrested. But then you also have a man who is saying Raj Karega Khalsa and is being inducted by Sanjay Singh as far as that picture is concerned. Picture versus picture. That's an apples and apples comparison.
By the NIA. Will you take
you cannot take sides, Padmaja. You cannot take sides. You are a moderator.
I am not taking sides, sir. I am saying on record again and again, let Deep Sidhu be arrested. Let him be arrested. But then you also have to answer for this man.
You are not asking questions from BJP.
I am asking
one program where you ask questions from BJP. Show me one program.
Okay.
Which Times Now ran on BJP.
I will. Okay. Saurabh Bharadwaj, I have to say, it is very unfair that when there are questions asked of you, you say that there are no questions asked of other persons.
How can you ask partial
Deep
questions?
Sidhu was asked.
Questions from BJP.
Deep Sidhu was asked.
Questions from Aam Aadmi Party.
I have asked about Deep Sidhu again and again. And more importantly on Jan 26, I have asked about how violence was allowed to happen. Anyhow, I think you and the viewers can go back and easily find what I have asked when. But I really want to move on because this show and this is not about me. It is about what is happening right now, and I want to bring in Sujata Paul. Sujata Paul, I want you to take a look again at these pictures which have now been identified by the Delhi police of men running around with weapons in their hands. And what kind of a situation are we in right now where in India we are, can I please have everyone's audio down? In India we are more outraged than with barricades being put rather than with pictures of armed men running amok. Have we totally and collectively lost our mind? Barricades hurt us more than armed men.
Yes, we have totally lost it. That's all that I can say. We did not take precautions when we should have done it. Why is it that in this country of ours, suddenly we have laws being formulated and corrections being made later? We made farm laws and we agreed to amendments later. Why is it that people run havoc and then we deploy our central forces and take these steps? For what? Is this a civilized society?
Do you remember the Mandsaur riots
What
of
we require?
2017?
Can you let me speak?
In Madhya Pradesh,
I did not speak. What word was you were speaking, Sanju Verma?
was held
Will you please not speak in between?
Jeetu Tiwari of the Congress was responsible for the Madhya Pradesh farmer riots in Mandsaur.
You can answer
Madhya Pradesh farmer riots in Mandsaur in 2017. Do you know who was involved? Jeetu Tiwari, close confidant of Rahul Gandhi. Jeetu Tiwari, close buddy of Rahul Gandhi, was involved in the Mandsaur farmer riots in 2017. So stop giving me a lecture on morality and ethics.
They should be deploying.
Ma'am, I don't. Let's not go too far. Let's not go too far. You started by saying that there is a state of complete chaos because no precautions taken. So let me ask you. Are you now glad that precautions are being taken, Ms. Paul?
Well, I think this is not the time to take these precautions at all. Now is the time to arrest all those people.
Oh my
pictures that
God.
you're showing. Arrest those people. I want the government to arrest them so that we come to know the truth. There should be a fair investigation.
More than 125 people have been arrested.
Prime Minister
More than 40 FIRs have been registered. More than 125 people have been arrested. The NIA is doing the needful. Delhi police is doing the needful. We don't need to take lessons in maintaining law and order and governance from you. 125 arrests made, 41 FIRs registered. NIA has issued summons to the likes of Baldev Sirsa and Deep Sidhu.
So now is not the time. Now is not the time to take precautions. Apparently, then, madam. Okay. Sujata Paul, as somebody who usually supports the Congress Party, what do you advocate? Can I please have silence for 10 seconds and ask a question? As somebody who supports the Congress Party, what do you advocate? There should be no barricading. There should be no precautions. Then what do you suggest? If there was to be violence tomorrow, should there be lathi charge? Should there be shooting? What should be done? How do you stop 50 tractors trying to run towards the Lal Killa or maybe towards Parliament? How do you suggest they be stopped?
Yes, Padmaja. See, why should that happen? Why did it happen in the first place? Lal Killa is a place where there was an army unit.
Ma'am, I know Lal Killa. I live in Delhi. Please tell me what should be done to stop such a situation.
Listen.
If such a situation develops, what should be done? What do you suggest?
There should be such a situation that should develop. We should not allow that to happen. Chaos, confusion. We should overcome this. We should have empathy. We should talk to the farmers and consult them. When the government is saying that there are 18 amendments that they are willing to
Ms.
make,
Paul, with due respect, last I heard, an empathy is not very effective in stopping tractors. Ved Bhushan.
पद्मजा, दिल्ली पुलिस के पास क्या ऑप्शन है? ये जो बेपैंती के लोटे जो लीडर्स हैं, आप पूरे किसान आंदोलन को देखें। इनको सुप्रीम कोर्ट में दिल्ली पुलिस ने एफिडेविट दिया कि बुराड़ी के अंदर इनको जगह दी जाएगी। बुराड़ी नहीं गए। फिर इन्होंने कहा कि 37 कंडीशंस के साथ में ट्रैक्टर रैली को दिल्ली पुलिस ने अलाउ किया। आपने देखा क्या हुआ उसका? हजारों ट्रैक्टर आए। क्या ये सब बीजेपी या दिल्ली पुलिस ने ऑर्गेनाइज कराए थे? उसके बाद इन्होंने कहा कि 1 फरवरी को पार्लियामेंट का घेराव करेंगे, नहीं आए। क्या इन पर ट्रस्ट किया जाता है? अब ये कहते हैं 6 तारीख को चक्का जाम करेंगे। उसके बाद इन्होंने कहा ये आंदोलन अक्टूबर तक चलेगा, फिर कहते हैं आंदोलन 2024 तक चलेगा। किन बातों पर इनके ट्रस्ट करके पुलिस अपनी तैयारी ना करे? हमारे 400 आदमी इंजर्ड हुए, इनको शर्म नहीं आती टेलीविजन पर बड़े-बड़े भाषणबाजी इंग्लिश में बोलते हुए? अच्छे लच्छेदार 515 आदमी इंजर्ड हो गए
और महिलाएं
हो गई। हमारे देश का अपमान हुआ और ये आज आज भी इनको शर्म नहीं आती।
राजेश चौहान,
सुप्रीम कोर्ट, ये सुप्रीम कोर्ट को नहीं मानते। जब पहले कहते हैं
सुप्रीम कोर्ट गन्ना मूल बकाया के लिए कि 14 दिन अगर गन्ना मूल का बकाया भुगतान नहीं किया जाता तो सुप्रीम कोर्ट का ही आदेश है कि उसे ब्याज सहित किसान को पैसा दिया जाए। पूरे हिंदुस्तान में कौन सी मिल से आपने ब्याज सहित सुप्रीम कोर्ट के आदेश का पालन किया और कौन से मिल का पैसा 14 दिन के बाद किसान को ब्याज सहित?
नेताजी आप तो बेपेंदी के लोटे हो, कोर्ट को नहीं मानते आप। किस कोर्ट की बात कर रहे हो आप? किस कोर्ट की बात कर रहे हैं?
एक सेकंड, कैन आई प्लीज हैव वेद भूषण एंड राजेश चौहान? कैन वी प्लीज हैव वेद भूषण एंड राजेश चौहान? वेद भूषण जी, आपको और राजेश चौहान को मैं सिर्फ एक स्टेटमेंट सुनाना चाहती हूँ। राजेश चौहान जी, आप भारतीय किसान यूनियन के हैं। पिछले 5 दिनों में एक वीडियो,
आवाज नहीं आ रही, आप आवाज तेज करके पहले।
बिल्कुल, अभी बहुत तेजी से आवाज आपके पास आएगी।
हाँ जी, बोलिए, क्या पूछ रही है? आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही।
अब मैं आपको सुनाना चाहती हूँ, भारतीय किसान यूनियन का जो सिंधुपुर फैक्शन है, उनके एक बहुत बड़े नेता हैं बलबीर सिंह दल्लेवाल। उन्होंने 4-5 दिन पहले एक स्टेटमेंट दिया है। वो मैं चाहती हूं कि आप और वेद भूषण जी और बाकी सारे जो हमारे जो दर्शक हैं वो सुने कि बलबीर सिंह जी अपने जो सारे फॉलोअर्स हैं उनको क्या नसीहत दे रहे थे। सुनिए।
हजार आउंदे ने, मैं कहना 20,000 भी क्यों ना आ जाए, तुहानू 5-5 नू एक आउंदा है। कुछ नहीं करना, कोई हथियार नहीं चकना, सिर्फ इको ही कम करियो, फड़ के मुश्कां दे के बन के इस पंडाल च रख लो, फिर सरकार दियां गोडनियां लगणगियां। ये सरकार कहेगी कि साडियां नू छड्डो, इत्थे छडाउण आएगी ये सरकार। मेरी बेनती मैं तां कीती है कि जे तां तुसी डांग सोटा वरत लिया तां तुसी की बन जाओगे?
तो बताइए राजेश चौहान जी, अगर कोई नेता
तोड़ते हुए दिखाओ। पहले से उसको वहां बैठाल रखा गया, पहले से उसको लाल किले में बैठाल के रखा गया, सरदार की पगड़ी बंधवा के सैकड़ों लोगों को वहां, पुलिस के लोगों को लाल किले पे हमारी वेशभूषा में वहां बैठाला गया और लाल किले के अंदर देश का अपमान किया गया।
अच्छा राजेश चौहान जी, ठीक है, चलिए आप कोई नहीं था वहां, कोई सिंगू बॉर्डर से नहीं आया, कोई टीकरी बॉर्डर से नहीं आया, वहां पे लोगों को लाल किले में बैठा दिया गया, सब बीजेपी के थे, शायद सभी दीप सिद्धू थे, सबको आपकी वेशभूषा पहना दी गई। आप मुझे ये बताइए कि अभी एक सेकेंड, सबका ऑडियो कम कर दीजिए। मैंने आपको सुनाया जगजीत सिंह डल्लेवाल जो हैं वो मंच से बोल रहे हैं कि अगर कोई पुलिस वाला दिखे उसको पकड़ करके रख लो, फिर सरकार के साथ नेगोशिएट करेंगे। अगर ये चीजें बोली जा रही हैं, ये दिल्ली पुलिस ने वीडियो जारी किया है, और अगर ये चीजें बोली जा रही हैं तो क्या प्रिकॉशन लेने को आप किसी जगह को किला बना देना कहेंगे? प्रिकॉशन नहीं लेना चाहिए, किडनैप होने देना चाहिए? चौहान जी,
कभी कोई ऐसी बात हमारे लोगों के द्वारा नहीं बोली गई और हम पूरी तरह पुलिस का, दिल्ली पुलिस का, यूपी पुलिस का तब भी सम्मान किए, आज भी कर रहे हैं। हम आपसे एक सवाल करना चाहते हैं, आप दुनिया की
सम्मान तो दिख रहा है सर, सम्मान इतना सम्मान मिला कि 500 लोग तो सीधे अस्पताल में पहुंच गए। आई थिंक उनसे सम्मान इतना सहा नहीं गया, पर ये जो थ्रेट दी जा रही है उसके बारे में आप क्या कहेंगे?
ईडी को तो भर्ती करना है, 500 पुलिस वाले भर्ती, कल 300 थे, आज 500 हो गए। हमारे किसान कितने भर्ती है? आईटीओ पे क्या हुआ आपने देखा? दीप सिंधु को आप ये बताओ कि दीप सिंधु कौन सा बैरियर तोड़ करके
हमारे आदमी इनको इनको छोड़ा जाता है, बात करेंगे।
बैरियर तोड़ रहा है, जिस बैरियर पे उसकी विजुअल होगी, उसकी फोटो होगी, उसके आप पुलिस ने,
अरे आपको हमने कुछ नहीं तो कम से कम 20 वीडियोस दिखाए हैं जहां बैरिकेड तोड़े जा रहे हैं। सौरभ भारद्वाज वांट्स टू कम इन। यस सौरभ भारद्वाज, बताइए।
I think there are hundreds of visuals and videos where you can see 15 to 20 policemen beating a lone farmer. There are many videos in public view. They are on YouTube, they are on Facebook. So I think it is equal from both the sides. there were atrocities from the police on the farmers also, and there may be few cases where farmers have retaliated to police. Even in the case where the SHO has been injured, if you look at the full video, it was the farmer who was beaten up by the police. 10 to 15 people from the police were beating that lone farmer, and the police was trying to
There is a journalist, ex-ABP,
who were throwing
Neha
stones on the
Joshi,
farmer. So I think
who was
we have to
manhandled by
look
these
the situation
protesters at Singhu
with
and
neutrality.
Ghazipur.
We cannot take sides
There's a
in this.
journalist from
And I
India
think,
TV.
So when we look at the situation, fair enough. Let me actually answer that. So Saurabh Bharadwaj, just to be clear, you are saying that this was an equal fight. There were policemen on tractors, and then there were farmers on tractors. There were policemen with swords, and there were farmers with swords. And then they had a little bit of a duel like the ancient gladiators, and they ended up injuring each other.
You can make a joke out of it.
Because sir, when we go past tragedy, it turns into a farce. When we go past the point of tragedy, it turns into a farce. And it really seems that we are now on that point where this entire situation has turned into a farce. Where someone takes a precautionary measure, we are asking them, why are you doing this? This has been turned into an enemy state. When somebody lets people be and takes their word for what it is, then you are told you are stupid, you were sleeping on the job, you were asleep at the wheel, it's because of you that the violence happens. What exactly should a government do? And since you are in government, yes, I'm glad. Saurabh Bharadwaj, since you are in government, let me paint a visual picture for you. Let's imagine the Delhi police is under the control of your government, okay? Yes. On the 6th of this month, people have said, "Hum chakka jam karenge." You are saying, if you control the police, you would say, "Hanji karo chakka jam, sab band kar do, aur hum kuch precautions nahi lenge." उस चक्का जाम में अगर 50 ट्रैक्टर आगे निकल गए और मुख्यमंत्री आवास की तरफ बढ़ने लगे, आप मुझे बताइए, आप मुख्यमंत्री हैं, आप क्या करेंगे? दिल्ली पुलिस को आपके आदेश क्या होंगे? आप बताइए।
Yes. Padmaja ji, if I was the one who was controlling the law and order of Delhi, then in the first place, I would not have stopped the farmers on the highways, because it is a democratic right of the farmers to protest at Ramlila Maidan or Jantar Mantar. I would have provided them place which is safe and secure to protest and raise their voice, because it is their right. They can tell the government what is to be done, and I would have with open arms and with open options negotiated with the farmers. I would have suspended people from my political party if they had accused farmers as Khalistanis, terrorists, desh ke dushman. I would have suspended those people to gain trust of the farmers.
Sir, you still haven't answered my question. You still haven't answered my question. Let me make a small intervention over here. Number one, when farmers were stopped, on the second day itself, and I remember it because I was there, second day itself, the government said that the Buradi ground is right next door to you. Please go and sit there. There were about 500 farmers who even sat there for 3-4 days. The rest of them said, nahi ji, hum to yahin pe baithenge jahan hamara man hai. That's point number one. Point number two, you still haven't answered my question that as of Saturday, if you control the Delhi police and the farmers told you, hum pure desh mein chakka jam karenge, you as the hypothetical chief minister of Delhi who is controlling the police, what would be your order to the police commissioner? Saurabh Bharadwaj.
I would have gone that minute itself to the Singhu border and sat with those farmers and asked them that you are the Annadatas of my country. Let's talk. I am like your brother. I am like your son. Let's talk and negotiate. Let's fizzle out this situation. I would not have created a battleground in Delhi. I would not have done this.
Sanju Verma. So, Saurabh Bharadwaj thinks there is a much better way rather than nails. There should be seva. Sanju Verma. Negotiations. Of which 11 rounds have happened, but you should go to the border instead of sending the police. Sanju Verma.
Padmaji, you cannot put cases. You cannot push cases.
Let me tell you, nobody has forgotten.
You can. You can if they engage in violence and they are telling their followers कि 5 लोग मिलकर के एक पुलिस वाले को दाब लो. Then you pretty much can put cases. But let Sanju Verma answer that. Sanju Verma, yes.
Let me please come. you know, Saurabh Bhardwaj saying we will do X and Y and Z if we had the reins of power in terms of law and order in Delhi is absolutely ridiculous and laughable. Nobody has forgotten that in May, June 2020, when Corona was at its peak and dead bodies were piling up at the LNJP hospital, Arvind Kejriwal gave up, saying मुझसे नहीं संभल रहा. Thank God Amit Shah stepped in. That is why Delhi was saved. So you have no locus standi, no moral high ground to lecture Amit Shah. Point number one. Point number two. Farmers were given the Burari grounds. Why did they come and riot at the IPO in Delhi, which is barely 2 kilometers from the North Block and South Block? Point number three. Permission was given for 5,000 tractors. How did 2 lakh tractors come in? 2 lakh tractors, bikes, cars. Permission was given for just 5 people on each tractor. There were more than 9 people on every tractor. So basically you are saying you would have gone and told the farmers, मैं आपका भाई हूँ, मैं आपका बंधु हूँ, आपको जो तहस नहस करना है करिए. That is not surprising coming from a party of vandals like you. Do you remember what Sanjay Singh did on 21st September 2020? He attacked the vice chairman of Rajya Sabha, throwing letters into his face. The vice chair, Harivansh Narayan Singh, had to suspend your vandal. Member of Parliament Sanjay Singh was suspended from the Rajya Sabha for vandalism on the floor of the House. And you are
you know, although I have to say at this point, Saurabh Bhardwaj, if one was to listen to the Chief Minister of Punjab, he is actually saying far from talking to the farmers, the Aam Aadmi Party is responsible partially for the violence also. He's actually blaming you for the violence, especially on the attack that took place on their 2 MPs and 1 MLA when they went to the Singhu border. Captain Amrinder Singh said, "Aapne karwaya attack."
We asked Amrinder Singh to provide Punjab police for the protection of farmers. He is not ready to do it. He is hand in gloves with Amit Shah.
Achha.
Because there are
Sujata Paul.
ED against his own son.
I wouldn't like to talk about Aam Aadmi Party, which is the B team of the BJP, but the Prime Minister should not be holding a monologue. He should be holding a dialogue. He should be communicating to ensure that this chaos and confusion gets over.
You should first teach your member of parliament, Ravneet Bittu. Ravneet Bittu, the Congress MP from Ludhiana, has said that Khalistanis have infiltrated the protest. What are your comments on Ravneet Bittu? Ravneet Bittu, who was beaten up on 23rd January, was
actually, just to add to that, Ravneet Bittu is not the only one. Ravneet Bittu is the Congress MP. Added to that, Captain Amrinder Singh this Saturday, and Sujata Paul, it will interest you, Captain Amrinder Singh said this Saturday in an interview to ANI, and I'll quote, that since the time that the farmers' agitation has started, Pakistan has started sending in more weapons. In fact, most of them are being brought in by drones and being passed on. This particular movement has completely lost its legitimacy. The moment the violence came and the symbol of the Red Fort was violated, this movement has lost steam. So that's actually the Chief Minister of Punjab. But I want to go on to another thing altogether and bring in Anurag Bhadoria and Sujata Paul both on this, along with Ved Bhushan. You know, I love how selective people's memory is when it is about human rights or about how you should negotiate. Because Sujata Paul, let me tell you about this very sad event that took place in 2011. In 2011, in Maharashtra, there is a place called Mawal. Mawal mein, and I will say it for the benefit of Anurag Bhadoria ji also, Mawal mein 2011 mein bhumi adhigrahan ho raha tha, land acquisition. Prithviraj Chavan was the Chief Minister of Maharashtra. 185 farmers were arrested after the police opened fire at them. People died. Congress was in government. The farmers said, अजीत पवार और पृथ्वीराज चव्हाण के कहने पर किसानों के ऊपर गोली चलाई गई. पृथ्वीराज चव्हाण क्यों नहीं गए उनसे बात करने के लिए? तब तो लॉ एंड ऑर्डर के लिए आपने बैरिकेड भी लगाए, डंडे भी मारे, वाटर कैनन भी किया और गोली भी चलाई. सुजाता पॉल, व्हाट हैपेंड?
सड़कें भी खोदी,
व्हाट हैपेंड?
बाड़ भी लगाए. सुनिए, अगर
नहीं, शायद सड़कें नहीं खोदी क्योंकि गोली लगने के बाद सड़क खुदे या ना खुदे कुछ खास फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
पहली बात, अगर कांग्रेस पार्टी पावर में नहीं है तो वो सजा दी है जनता ने। दूसरी बात, अगर कांग्रेस पार्टी ने किया और कुछ गलत किया तो क्या आज भारतीय जनता पार्टी केवल उनके कदमों पे चलेगी?
नहीं।
तीसरी बात,
Here is the better part, Sujata Paul, because I think you come from Karnataka. Just a second. In March 2016, police lathi charged a large number of farmers who were demanding implementation of a drinking water project and tried to march towards the CM's official residence in Bengaluru. They were लाठी चार्ज्ड, वहां पर लाठी चार्ज भी हुआ, बैरिकेड भी लगे सुजाता पॉल, और उसके बाद एक दिन बाद द चीफ मिनिस्टर सिद्धारमैया सेड minimum force was used because law and order is very important. We cannot allow for anarchy to happen. As per intelligence reports, 2,000 tractors were entering the city and the police had to prohibit the entry of trucks and tractors into the city. One should not make it a political issue because law and order, said the Congress Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, is most important, Sujata Paul.
absolutely, law and order is the most important, and the government we have said that we are going to give good governance.
So law and order is important in Karnataka and in Mawal, even if people lose their lives, but law and order is not important in the national capital of Delhi, Sujata Paul?
That is exactly what I'm saying. So why has this situation escalated to this level? Why?
For the same reason that the situation escalated in Bengaluru. For the same reason that the situation escalated in Maharashtra. Because when people want to create violence, they try and go against the state, and the state has to stop them.
थाने में आग लगा दो.
So you're going to dig up roads.
And Jeetu Tiwari was the brains behind the Mandsaur riots of 2017 in Madhya Pradesh.
When the farmers are sitting over there.
Okay, Ved Bhushan wants to quickly come in. But I want to do a quick memory refresher for Anurag Bhadoria also after that. Ved Bhushan, respond. Yes.
मैं अभी पद्मजा 30 अक्टूबर 1988 को कांग्रेस की गवर्नमेंट थी, 425 नंबर एफआईआर, ये महेंद्र सिंह टिकैत ने जो दिल्ली के अंदर रैंसैक किया था उनके खिलाफ राइटिंग का मुकदमा है। गवर्नमेंट प्रॉपर्टी को चोरी करके ले गए, ट्रैक्टर्स में भर के ले गए, उसके लिए कौन जिम्मेदार है? कोई जिम्मेदारी लेगा? दिल्ली पुलिस के जो पेशेंस है, आपने उसकी तारीफ नहीं करी। ये एफआईआर मौजूद है,
अनुराग भदौरिया
चेहरे पर कलंक है, इस एफआईआर का जवाब दीजिए।
अनुराग भदौरिया जवाब दे रहे हैं कांग्रेस के लिए। हाँ बताइए अनुराग भदौरिया जी, बताइए।
किसान को आपस में लड़ाने वाली भारतीय जनता पार्टी सोच रही है जवान को किसान को आपस में लड़ा के रूल कर लेंगे, तो उसकी गलतफहमी है। और अफसोस इस बात का है कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी जय जवान जय किसान, जवान और किसान दोनों को आपस में लड़ा रही है। ये देश को समझने की जरूरत है। बीजेपी अपने रूल करने के लिए डिवाइडेड रूल करना चाहती है, समस्या का समाधान न करके।
आप जवाब नहीं दे रहे अनुराग जी, आप जवाब नहीं दे रहे, शायद आप जवाब देंगे भी नहीं। बट आई वांट टू गिव सौरभ भारद्वाज एन अपॉर्चुनिटी आल्सो, बट बिकॉज आप जवाब नहीं देंगे, मैं एक क्विक रिफ्रेशर करना चाहती हूँ आपके लिए भी, आपको पता ही होगा बट फिर भी दर्शकों के लिए और आपके लिए। 2015 2 dozen people including a few saints were injured when police resorted to lathi charge to disperse protesters holding a sit-in protest demanding immersion of Ganesh idol in the Ganga. This happened in Varanasi. Chief Minister थे आपके अखिलेश यादव। उसके बाद 30 जून 2014 भारतीय जनता युवा मोर्चा के ऊपर लाठी चार्ज हुआ, आपके चीफ मिनिस्टर थे अखिलेश यादव। समाजवादी पार्टी के प्रवक्ता राजेंद्र चौधरी ने कहा दैट बीजेवाईएम के लोग अराजकता फैलाना चाहते थे और हम पब्लिक ऑर्डर स्टेट में डिसरप्ट नहीं होने देंगे, ये कहा समाजवादी पार्टी ने। बट 10 सेकंड्स आई स्टिल वांट टू गिव सौरभ भारद्वाज बिकॉज otherwise I'll be accused of not giving opportunity. Yes, go on.
आप भाग रहे जवाब।
आप एक मिनट पद्मजा जी, देखिए आपने बिल्कुल सही बात की कि 2011 में हो सकता है कांग्रेस ने किसानों को पीटा हो और वहां पे मारा हो, और हो सकता है 2015 के अंदर समाजवादी पार्टी ने इन कार्यकर्ताओं के ऊपर जो है पुलिस से लाठीचार्ज करवाया और पिटाया हो, ये सब कुछ ठीक है। मगर आप ये समझिए कि हमेशा से आप लोगों ने पिटने वालों का साथ दिया है, सरकार का साथ नहीं दिया। ये चीज जो है मैं चाहूंगा कि इस बार भी देखें कि आप पिटने वालों के साथ खड़े हो, आप सरकार के साथ ना खड़े हो। टाइम्स तो हमेशा पिटने वालों के साथ खड़ा रहा है, तो मैं चाहूंगा कि ये हो।
सर, विद ड्यू रिस्पेक्ट, अगर कोई लॉ को अपने हाथ में लेने की कोशिश करे, then they have to make the distinction between innocents who are facing atrocity and high-handedness, and people who are trying to take the law in their hand and face the short end of the stick and the heavy hand of the law. And that distinction we must always keep in mind. On that note, I'm going to thank all gentlemen, Sujata Paul and Sanju Verma, for joining me. Let's just hope that better sense prevails and we leave aside our differences and politics on this very, very sensitive issue. Thanks for watching.